You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words, pronounced exactly the same way in English. Those are homophones. I know the spellings are different, but pronunciations in American English or British English are exactly the same. English pronunciation, how to pronounce show. Top word is a bit more definite. It's a bit older way of spelling the verb show. Show. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.